Are you searching earning ideas for YouTube? These top 5 methods give you more money. Keep watch this full video to earn more money from YouTube. Are you ready? Become a YouTuber, link your channel with Adsense or MCNs using YPP to monetize and generate ad revenues for your videos. Already I explained about YPP. It's available in cards above. Please watch that. Provide your own PDF book or product link in your video description. Also add on basic info link section in customization tab. It's appear in your channel art. The free PDF book of YouTube Beginners Course is available in the description below. Just use it now because it's only for you. Ask your viewers to support you by donating through a crowdfund or fan funding sites like Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon. If you want to buy me a coffee, find me as Earning Campus on Buy Me a Coffee website and donate now to support my channel. That link also available in the description. Tie up with other channel creators and promote their channel in your video and endscreen to get rent from them. You want to promote your channel? Contact me immediately on earningcampusenglish@gmail.com or other social medias. Before going to the next method, subscribe the channel now to get more ideas about YouTube earning and like the video to support me. If you have a website, you get double benefits. Number 1, share your website link in your description to get more traffic to your website. Number 2, share your YouTube videos on your website to get more views for your videos.